Have you ever heard the quote, "What got you here won't get you there"? That is exactly why, at the age of 47, I decided to leave my marriage of 25 years, and also why, at age 55, I decided to try a brand new career. I knew I wouldn't get to where I wanted to be without making these significant changes in my life. While these choices may seem a bit extreme, I decided to finally follow my heart instead of letting my head decide my direction. Have you spent most of your life letting your head lead the way too? For me, I was totally stuck and didn't have a clue how to get unstuck. I remember searching the bookstore for a book that would give me my step-by-step instructions for how to change my friggin' life so I was more fulfilled. Unfortunately, I didn't find that magic book, which means it took me a lot of years to figure it out. I knew something needed to change, but I didn't realize that so much of my life was misaligned with who I was supposed to be. I had chosen a good, hardworking man and a career that offered respectable titles and excellent pay, the things that make your parents proud and impress your friends. What could be wrong with that? And for quite some time, the picture-perfect life worked because I was busy doing life with my head down, blinders on, working my way up the corporate ladder and raising my two incredible daughters. But there was always this whisper. Looking back, I know it was my heart trying to be heard, but it kept getting shut down and quieted by my head. I was afraid. It was easier to keep pretending everything was just fine. So the years went on and on and on, and the feelings of emptiness and unsettledness grew. Then one day, I reached the point where my fear of not taking the risk had become greater than the fear of taking it. So I jumped, and you know what? There was a net that caught me, because that's what the universe does for us. It's now been 12 years since the day I decided to step into my fear and make the first huge change. What an amazing journey it's been, with too many aha moments to count. I love aha moments because they are heart-centered, and when they come, it's a sign I'm in true alignment and that the message has significance. As I look towards my next birthday and entering a new decade, I can't be more excited. The past decade has been my best so far, but I know the next will be even better. I am finally on the right track, and it feels amazing. Are you ready to start following your heart and make big changes? I hope so.